Hello everyone, welcome to Local TV. This is Vanessa.
This is Frida.
Today we're so happy to be here to announce our latest updates on the most popular mark press, GS205B. Frida, could you tell everyone what is it?
Yes, sure. We will release the new mark heater, which is designed for print a full format image with the 13-ounce tumblers.
Yes, 30-ounce stainless steel tumblers is the most popular stainless steel tumblers in the market now. So we developed this big mark heater. When compared with the 20-ounce mark heaters, it's taller and larger, which makes it can be used to print all the cylindrical cups and tumblers in the market now. So our previous offering 8 mark heaters can be reduced to only 3 mark heaters. One for 30-ounce tumblers, 11-ounce and 15-ounce ceramic marks, and the mark heaters for tapered tumblers.
Yeah, in our today's introduction, we will show you 2 printing tips for using our 205B mark press and 2 printing demos with the 13-ounce heater. One for printing the 13-ounce tumblers and one for printing the 2 11-ounce marks at one time.
I can't wait to show the printing tips and printing demo. Let's begin. First, how to change the mark heater. You need to close the handle when you want to change the mark heaters. Remove the nut. Disconnect the heater from the mark press. Then open the handle. You can take the heaters out. Squeeze the both ends of a new heater. Close the handle of the mark press. And then squeeze the heater to install the new mark heater. Install the nuts. And then connect the heater with the mark press. Second, how to do pressure setting. We need to adjust the pressure when the heater is cold. Put the tumbler into the machine. Close down the handle a little bit. Then turn around the knob to adjust the pressure. Turn right to increase the pressure and turn to left to reduce the pressure. The pressure is well setting if you are not easy and hard to close the handle. You could also try to take out the tumbler after closing down the handle. It shall be not able to be taken out from the machine. Let's do the full format printing demo. The first step is to wrap the printing paper. Cut off the white edge. There should not be any white edge left. It will be better to put the tumbler on the table and then wrap the paper, which can help you wrap tightly. Wrap the paper around the tumbler and fix it with heat tape. It is recommended to fix both ends and then the middle. Note that the paper must be wrapped very tightly. And 1 to 2 centimeter gap must be left at both the top and the bottom side of the paper. Turn on the machine. Set the printing parameters 175 degrees Celsius and 20 seconds. Now the temperature is increasing. Now the temperature reaches to starting temperature. To get the best printing result on 30-ounce tumbler, we already set a very heavy pressure on the mark press. Now we put the tumbler into the machine. Make sure the tape side up, and then close the handle. The temperature is dropping now and will increase later. When up to the printing temperature, the machine will calm down. The time is up, the first printing is done. Then we need to turn around the tumbler. Make sure the tape side faces to the ground. Wait for the temperature drop to 170 degrees Celsius. And then we will close the handle to do the second printing. Time is up. Take out the tumbler. The printing is finished. Let's check the printing result. Next, we will show you the printing demo of 11-ounce ceramic mug with both our new 30-ounce heater and 11 15-ounce heater. We can print 2 mugs at one time with the 30-ounce heaters, but the templates will be smaller when compared with the template we use with the 11 15-ounce heater. Now let's do the printing. We use the 30-ounce mug heater to print 11-ounce ceramic mugs. Please make sure the bottom of the 2 mugs inward, and there should be a gap between the 2 mugs. This one was printed by 11 and 15-ounce mug heater, and this one was printed by 30-ounce mug heater. You may see the blank space left around the handle are quite different. If you are looking for working efficiency, please use 30-ounce mug heater because you can print 2 mugs at one time. But if your design is a little bit large, please use 11-ounce and 15-ounce mug heater. Thanks for watching. In today's introduction, we released the newest mug heater for full format printing on 30-ounce tumblers. And the new mug heater can also be used to print the most cylindrical cups and tumblers in the market.
Yeah, we also shared 2 printing tips with our 2FLB mug press, how to change the heater and how to adjust the pressure.
If you have further questions regarding this machine, please don't hesitate to contact our sales team.
Enjoy sublimation and have fun with the 2FLB mug press.
Bye-bye.
Bye.